How to stop your Instagram account from being suggested. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you cannot change this in the Instagram itself. So open up your browser instead. And then in the search bar, simply search for Instagram.com. Once you search for it, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon right over here. And then you need to go ahead and simply tap on edit profile. Scroll to the bottom until you see find account suggestion on profiles. If this is enabled, your account can be suggested to other users. To stop it, simply untick this box and then tap on submit. Now your account won't be suggested on any profile anymore. You can switch back to Instagram app and your settings is saved. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.